Assalamu alaikum grade 2, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your classmates, your teachers, your class teacher. But no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today we are going to conduct the class of English grammar. Fine. As we people did the work of compound words the last time, we'll focus on that work again for the review part, for the revision. But now first come to the date. Okay, today the date is 9/12/2020. Meanwhile 9 December 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Okay, let's have a review of compound words. Fine, as we people discussed the compound words in the previous class, just have a quick review. Fine, what are compound words? They are formed when two or more words are joined together. Okay, when two or more words are joined together to form or to create a new word that has entirely new meaning. Fine, I gave some of the examples to you regarding this. Let's again have a quick look. This is a sun and this is a flower. Sun is a different word and flower is a different word. Fine, so it makes sunflower, sunflower. Fine. Now this is a basket and this is a ball. Fine. Basket and ball, different words. Now it makes another word. Now foot and ball. See here, foot and ball, it makes another word, football. This is a game. Fine. You can see here, this is a pencil and this is a box. Pencil is another word and box is another word. It makes a new word, pencil box. Now, there are some new words I have mentioned here. What is going on in this picture? Clouds are here and I guess this is raining. Yes. Now this is rain and the second picture is of bow, rainbow. So it makes a new word, rainbow जो होता है ना, after the rain it is created, 7 colors का जो होता है. Now guess what? What is this? What is going to be happen? Yes, this is snow. And second picture is of a man. So snow and man. It makes another picture, snowman. It makes another word, snowman. Now I guess grade 2 you people must have memorized and remember all the things what we read the last time. Fine. Now let's come to the workbook, grade 2 workbook. Open it. I have done 2 of the blanks for you guys, basketball and swimming pool. Rest of the 2 you people have to attempt yourself. Fine. Now grade 2. Come to page number 55. Fine. Come to the heading part. See here, this is again the work of compound words. Why we people are doing again and again the work of compound words, so it will be saved in your memory. Fine. What are compound words? I don't want to move further to the new topic. So first your concept of compound words should be cleared, then we'll move towards another topic. Fine. So what people have to do, write on the date of today, 9/12/2020. This is classwork and the day is Wednesday. Fine. See the question. Match the words in column A with the words in column B to make new words. So what I have done, I have made a list of new words here. What you people have to do, see here. This is the list of new words. Number 1 is butterfly. Second one is I have taken from column A and B and I have merged the words because it will be difficult for you to make the words. Okay? I have given the list of new words to you. What you people have to do later on, you will have to match according to this list. For example, you can see here butterfly. ठीक है ना? These are the new words I have taken out from column A and B. Second one is butterfly क्या होती है? तितली. ठीक है? This is found on the flowers. Number second word is fireman जो कि आग बुझाता है. थर्ड वन इज टूथब्रश जिससे हम ब्रश करते हैं. फोर्थ वन इज फुटबॉल. ठीक है? फुटबॉल, दिस इज अ गेम. फिफ्थ वन इज कैंप फायर. ठीक है? द पीपल लाइक जो खेमे में जो आग जलाते हैं, दैट इज अ कैंप फायर. कैंप फायर जो खेमे में जलाते हैं ना, लाइक रात को लोग जाते हैं, जैसे पिकनिक पे जाते हैं तो रात में जो आग जलाते हैं, दैट इज कैंप फायर. ठीक है ना? ओके. दिस वन इज बेडरूम. लाइट हाउस, बेडरूम जिसमें आप सोते हैं, लाइट हाउस. रेन कोट, रेन कोट जो आप उसमें बारिश में पहनते हैं. वॉचमैन, वॉचमैन, हु इज़ अ वॉचमैन? वॉचमैन इज़ अ गार्ड. फाइन. सी शेल्स, जो समंदर में सीपियाँ पाई जाती हैं, दीज आर सी शेल्स. सो आई हैव गिवन द लिस्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स टू यू. व्हाट यू पीपल हैव टू डू, find these words from column A and match them from till in column B. See, butterfly, first word is butterfly. अब butter तो आपको मिल गया यहाँ पे. Where is fly? You have to find here fly. So this is one word I have like one column A and B I have matched. This one has been done for you. Now second one is fireman. ठीक है ना? Now you have to find from column A and column B. ठीक है ना? Fire, अब इसमें man कहाँ है? Here is the man. ठीक है ना? So same as class, you people have to find these words. For example, foot. अब foot के साथ क्या होना चाहिए? This is foot here. Football. So foot and ball, you have to match football. Camp, camp के साथ क्या था? Campfire. So camp and fire. Bed, bedroom. So bedroom. ठीक है, like this. Lighthouse. So light and house. Raincoat. So rain and where is the coat? Yes, it's in the beginning. Raincoat. ठीक है. Watchman, so watch and one more man is over here. Yes, it's here. Watchman. Seashells, so seashells. Okay class, so you people have to match these A and B columns. ठीक है. Now come to this, it will be a homework. ठीक है. Fill in the blanks with some of the new words formed above. जो आपने यहाँ पर words बनाए हैं, you have to fill in the blanks from them. See here, this is the list of new words. ठीक है. Now see here, the dash puts out fires. कौन बुझाता है fire को? The fireman. ठीक है. Look at the flower. The dash on it looks so beautiful. अब flower पे कौन बैठता है? Yes, find it from here. Yes, butterfly. Fireman, toothbrush, football, इसमें से तो कुछ नहीं आएगा. So butterfly sits on the flower. I sleep in my. कहाँ पे सोते हैं आप? Definitely you sleep in your bedroom. Fine. Okay, come Aslam, let's play. अब यहाँ पे कोई game है. When you see this word plays, what comes to your mind? There must be some game. So what is the game over here mentioned? Yes, this is football. Okay, let's play football. It's raining. When it is raining, what you people have to wear? क्या पहनना चाहिए? Raincoat. So you people have to do this at your home. I've mentioned each and everything. Fine. This is from page number 55 class. I guess this much is enough for you for today. Take a very good care of yourself. Till then, goodbye from my side. Take a Allah Hafiz from my side. Okay? Allah Hafiz.